As part complexity increases, your manufacturing department is under constant pressure to deliver safe and reliable CNC machining programs. Complex, high-value parts often contain features and details which cannot be produced using 3-axis machining alone, which is why Autodesk Fusion 360 can create multi-axis operations to fully utilize the capabilities of your machine tools. The process begins by checking the part. Accessibility analysis shading creates a quick, visual reference indicating whether or not a part can be fully machined from a single direction. This speeds up the decision process on how to orient and fixture your parts ready for machining. To reduce the cost of fixturing to produce parts in fewer setups, multi-axis positional such as 3+1 or 3+2 machining can be used. Toolpath directions can be rapidly selected and calculated with efficient patterns and ordering options for multi-part machining on tombstones. To address 4-axis machining, such as a bolt-on 4th axis or turn mill machine, there is 4-axis rotary capability. This allows full 4-axis simultaneous machining of freeform shapes with multiple pass options to best suit your geometry and the ability to set angular limits and offset the tool to improve cutting conditions. For the most complex parts, there is full simultaneous 5-axis programming to allow the use of shorter, more rigid tools which reduce vibration and improve the surface quality of finishing operations. A selection of toolpath options are available, with a range of tilting methods such as lead, lag and sideways lean to improve surface finish, as well as the ability to cut with the side of the tool to take advantage of its full flute length. Extending this further, Fusion 360 has automatic collision avoidance. Parts can be programmed using a primary tool direction, either vertical or from and to a point or curve. In the event of a collision being detected between the part and the tool or holder, the tool is automatically tilted away from the part, removing the collision. This is enhanced with intelligent smoothing to help avoid sudden and erratic machine motion, and tool axis limits to control how far the tool tilts. And with the ability to simulate the toolpath to provide confidence in your programming, and access to a vast library of free, customizable post-processors, Fusion 360 gives you the tools your manufacturing department needs to deliver multi-axis parts.